I want to talk about this two-burner griddle that Vayepro sent to me to do a review of. I was pretty impressed by this, and I was a little bit surprised. It's pretty strong construction. You can see it right there, what comes in the box. You get the griddle handle, which you need to attach, which is very easy to attach. And you can see it's a solid construction. Handle's very easy to attach. All you need is a screwdriver. It just takes a moment. Tonight I was cooking steaks. I had a couple of really nice looking chuck eye steaks, seasoned them up, and ready to go. And I was impressed. The griddle got up to temp really quickly, which was something that I was excited to see. And it gave great quality as far as cooking. I do a lot of steaks, and as you can hear right there, most important thing for me is to get that good sear, that good charcoal seasoning right on the outside. And you can see there after a couple minutes, got a really nice sear. Flip them over for a little while. One thing to note, you don't want to be using any metal utensils on this, so I was just using the tongs to take the steak off, but did not interact with the surface. After I got my sear on my steaks and put them in the oven to finish, I sauteed up some green beans and a little bit of onion to have a nice side dish. And once again, it was very easy. They sauteed up really nicely, got really good color, and no sticking whatsoever. So great results, obviously. Now, who would this be good for? I think this would be great for anyone, really. If you ever entertain larger groups of people, you can use this and cook a whole bunch of eggs, a whole bunch of pancakes, whatever the case. And cleanup is easy. All it does is take a little bit of hot water, soap, and a sponge. Don't use any abrasives. You don't want to scrape off the non-stick coating. And if you want to go an even easier route, this is dishwasher safe. You can just plop it in the dishwasher and let the dishwasher take care of it. So I was very pleased with this. I enjoyed cooking with it, and I think I'll be cooking some more with it again. If you'd like a griddle for your kitchen, please click on the link in the description below.